Hi guys, quick video of the centre impact sensor on a Vauxhall, which I just learnt something which almost destroyed the bolts really. So obviously we've had this one here, left or middle impact sensor, invalid data, B0083. So obviously we've got these other two codes here, but concentrate on that again. So this code here obviously brings the engine management light up. This little sensor is right here, and this is the reason for it. So to get it off, see, normally there's a black plastic tag here that holds the wiring in, so lift that up, wiring pulls out, and it sits like that there. So the thing that you'll want to know is the bolts. They're a T20 and they're a left hand thread. So I've been trying for ages now, trying to undo them, been rounding them off until I actually studied it from that side and found that they're a left hand thread. So that's going to help you guys out big time when you come to do it, because I've basically tightened the hell out of them. Then I realised that it was left hand thread. So once you've replaced that, go into your scanner, reset, and then the code should go. And as you can see, it's disappeared now. So pretty sure with these two, I'm going to have to replace the pretensioners. I've checked the wiring, no issues with the wiring, so here we go. Hope that helped anyway, guys. Cheers.